It's getting way too late. Well, Sydney, you got away again. You just have to come back tomorrow.
We'll be right back with Discovery Family.
He's America's freakiest, most outrageous superhero. Give me smoochy smooch. And he's making his second appearance in prime time. No! Get us out of here! Help me! Freakazoid, right after Pinky and the Brain. Discovery Family.
I know what it's like to lose something you love. It eats at me every day. And I won't let it happen again. Every time Nacho Fries came back, that warm nacho cheese sauce was drawing something closer to the surface.
So, what's your story?
Guess I'm just hungry.
For what?
Hope.
Order up!
I'm getting fried here! This is our world, and these are our Mexican spices. Cusque. So either we fight together, or we fry alone.
By now, we've all heard a lot of talk about what electric is.
1, 2, 3.
We think it's time to see what it can do. It's time for electric to turn into lightning. An electric truck that can match the ambitions of this nation. That can haul on both ends. That can help build your house. And if need be, power that house. That feels like a bullet train and works like a freight train. The fully electric F-150 Lightning. Remember where you were when you heard about it.
All right, guys, no insurance talk on beach day.
I'm down.
Yes, please.
Don't get me wrong, I love my RV, but insuring it is such a hassle.
Same with my boat. The insurance bills are through the roof.
Be cool.
I wish I could group my insurance stuff. Like the house, the car, the RV.
Like a cluster, an insurance cluster.
Yeah, I doubt that exists.
The bundle! It's a bundle and it saves you money! Hi, I'm Flo from Progressive and I couldn't help it over here.
Super fun beach day, everybody.
In the beginning came the beasts, but nature lies. They're robots in disguise. Beast Wars. Heroic new Maximals battle the evil reptile and insect forces of the Predacons. Evil Waspinator changes from insect to high-tech and puts the sting on Cheetor. But there's more to Cheetor than meets the eye. Under the skin lurks a robot within, with hidden weapons firing. All new Beast Wars. Each sold separately. It's time to power up with a secret weapon.
I'm the new Blue Ranger!
What are you talking about?
A giant problem in a whole new way.
Wind Chaser ready to howl.
This is awesome.
To thrill.
Let's rip some. Megazord warp sequence is online. Let's shift to the
Turbo, a Power Rangers movie.
Tonight at 9 p.m. on Discovery Family's Summer Splash.
Shark Days of Summer are here. That was so big. Dive with your family into the amazing world of these fantastic creatures.
Wow, look at the size of that shark.
Shark Days of Summer, starting Monday at 5 p.m. on Discovery Family.
We're back with Discovery Family.
We now return to the Snorks.
As you know, most of the food for Snorkland comes from the kelp beds out there. Now, over there are the kelp packing machines.
I'll take 2 kelp burgers smothered in mustard clams.